How to add Cash App to TikTok Shop. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add Cash App to TikTok Shop. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. From there, tap on the profile icon that appears at the top right corner of the screen. This is the profile section of your account. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, tap on the share option that appears at the top right corner of the screen. This menu appears as you can see here. This option provides a quick way to copy your personal link directly to your device's clipboard so you can paste and share it anywhere. After that, open the TikTok mobile app and navigate to your profile page. On the profile page, look for an option named Edit. As you can see, here is the option. Make sure you tap on it. Once you do that, this other page here appears. On this page, you are in the TikTok Edit Profile Settings section, where you can update your public info, username, bio, and external links. Scroll down to the Links category at the bottom and tap Add Link. Then on the next page, tap Website and paste your copied cash tag link into the text field that appears. This option provides a way to display a clickable link directly on your TikTok bio so your followers can easily send you payments or support your page. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to add Cash App to TikTok Shop.